Hello friends, welcome to my first YouTube video. In future, we will release a series of videos about iOS development with Swift and Swift UI. In this video, we will go through iOS application development ecosystem. Let's get started. First of all, I would like to show you the main elements of Apple application development ecosystem. These are Xcode, Swift, Swift UI, TestFlight, App Store Connect, and App Store. Let's take a closer look at what these elements are for. Like in every software development project, an app development consists of three phases: development, test, and distribution. Let's have a look at our main elements according to these three phases. In development phase, we use Xcode IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. With Xcode, you can build any app for Apple ecosystem. Xcode is exclusive to macOS. If you are using Windows, it's not possible to install it. Swift is a programming language created by Apple for building app for Apple ecosystem. It's a simple and understandable programming language that makes development easy, enjoyable, and efficient. Swift UI is a framework which we use to build user interfaces. It's a framework that is designed to work with Swift programming language. In test phase, we use TestFlight. With TestFlight, you can invite users to test your apps and collect valuable feedback before releasing your apps. You can invite them using your email address or by sharing a link. In distribution phase, App Store Connect is used to upload, submit, and manage your apps on App Store. App Store Connect also lets you view sales reports, access app analytics. After you submit your app with App Store Connect, it will be listed on App Store, which means other users can download and start using it. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more content like this and support our channel, please subscribe and hit the like button.